What happens when words look at each other? Actually, if we want to be more precise, they are tokens. Last video, every token had its own location in space. During training, the more two tokens appear together in sentences, the closer they end up. That's why related tokens form groups. Let's talk about attention. Attention is the part of an LLM that uses this trained geometry to pick the right location for each token based on the context. It happens after each token gets its coordinates. Once every token has a position in space, attention is the step that takes over. Let me show you using two sentences. In one sentence, we walked close to the riverbank. In another, I deposited my money in the bank. Same bank token, two sentences, completely different meaning. Watch how attention focuses. If attention is on the bank token in the first sentence, we see it's near river. If attention is on the second bank, we see it's near money. The location gives bank its meaning, and attention knows where to focus based on context. Think of human attention. When you read, you focus on what matters most. The other tokens are still part of the context, they just matter less. The bank token's attention focuses on river, or on money. So one bank ends up near water, stream, flow. The other ends up near cash, dollar, finance. When attention focuses on a location, the meaning is determined by the other tokens close to it. And this isn't just two sentences. The bank token appears in millions of sentences, surrounded by different tokens each time. Each surrounding gives a different meaning. The same token, many locations, many meanings. And we've kept this flat for clarity. In real LLMs, every token sits in many directions across many layers. The principle is the same, just multiplied. A single token has no meaning, but its meaning is determined by its location. Once attention has determined the correct location for each token, the LLM can generate your response. To explain how, we need to talk about prediction. But that's for our next video.